Chinese Cultural University. Woo! Okay. Peak Entrance Cafe, or the Peak Restaurant. Wow! It's really nice. What a view. Okay, so we had a little snack there. We had a little burger. Oh shoot. No, are you sure? I don't think it's raining. I think it's just fog. Where's this? Oh, it's Ministry of National Leadership Training Center. So maybe it's over there. This one? Which way?
Not sure.
Oh, right here.
It's okay, we can try.
等一下。新源。
普生，对。Wow, look, another 7-Eleven. Ready? Sorry? And what is this? Okay, we're gonna go to Jinshan. We're gonna go to the visitor center into the Yangming Park. Just wanna go up, higher and higher. Owl crossing. There's a wildlife underpass. Wow, it's pretty cool. Really? My people. Oh, this is like riding catless here. But on a moped, this thing is really slow. I think this would be great on a big motorcycle. You could carve this mother heavily. And roads are pretty reasonably twisty, but not very twisty, but still nice. Okay. There's hiking going on here. There's some hike trails. Watch out for cars barreling downhill because they'll often cross the double yellow and then you're screwed. And on the right I have this ditch. If I fell there I know I'd be badly hurt. And I gotta keep my eye on the rearview window because there are cars that just gun it. And there's lots. Huh. There's a bus that comes here. And it's raining. I don't know if the camera's fogged up yet, but I certainly see fog and hot springs. Jeez, this is cold. Jinsan. I wish I had a big motorcycle. Big motorcycle. Oh man. This is what the motorcycle, oh, what can you say to a free scooter, right? So I got a free scooter going on here. Wow, I see why they say use your lights because of the fog. Gee, you know what? I think it's more like rain dew or something. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, there's a police station. Which way? This way is the mountain, right? I want to see the end of the road. Now this is what is an adventure. I'll go home already. But because it's so freaking this is so freaking desolate. I really want to check it out. It's fucking stupid. But you know what? I wanted adventure, and I think I did it. I got up to the mountain, and I've come this far. I'm gonna climb Everest. Oh shit! Last time train. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn at the next stop. You know what? I'm gonna turn around. This is not healthy. What is this? You want? What is this? Tea. Okay, tea house.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to the bad weather conditions, Robert will be returning back down the mountain, and it's fucking scary, man. I gotta be really careful. Downhill is more treacherous than uphill because when cars pass you, they can easily slip, and they're going much faster going downhill than uphill. At least in uphill they can brake easier without too much sliding.
Yeah, I just gotta be careful going downhill. Man, you can hardly see the cars up front. Oh, it's mopeders. In rain gear, of course. I got full leather, so, well, I got a leather jacket, so I'm pretty well insulated. I'm just, my mouth and my chin, my cheeks actually are just freezing, and the cold is getting through my gloves. So you can imagine how cold this must be. It's a wet cold that's pretty bitter. Not as bitter as snow, but still, when you don't have snow clothes, when you have regular leathers, and the wind can kind of eventually gets way through and freeze the leather cold and make you cold. So anyway, we got all the way up to whatever this street is. What's the street called? What's this called? Inshan Gold Mountain. Okay, they're just gonna get out of here. Yeah, it's time to go. We got a pretty neat observatory, a little lookout, but you can't see anything because it's all fogged out due to the rain. There's Owl Crossing. This is a pretty cool sign. It's an owl crossing. That's not a very pretty owl. Okay, there's less rain. Caution, accident area. I guess there's been a lot of accidents around this. Well, I would really like to ride a motorcycle here. Maybe on the next time or the next go, when the weather's a little better, I will rent a motorcycle. Or maybe even, rent maybe even a 400cc, because I don't really need to gun it like super fast. I just do twisties, you know? Twisties on a moped with super sharp turns, with a really sharp turning radius, actually do better like on tents in Hawaii. Mopeds will smoke any of the big bikes because they're so nimble and agile. Alright, we're back to normal. Cold. Still have change, just still freezing. If I were to come again, I should be driving a car instead. He gave me courtesy honk, which is very courteous. I'll scare the crap out of him. Okay, here we go.